In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize Photos app on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 brings a new features to the Photos app where everything is organized based on preferences. So if you come here and you click on year, you're going to see your photo organized just like this based on year. Then click on month. This is going to arrange your photo based on month. And now, if you scroll down on the month page, this is what you're going to see. And then you can easily search by people, by pin collections, memories, and then trips, albums. Now to customize the Photos app on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page like this and click on customize. Now once you click on that, this is what you're going to see, customize photos. These are your features photos. You see that? Then here, you may choose to disable all the collections like this. So let's album shows, media type utilities, wordpad suggestion. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on this close button. So this is going to reset your Photos app. So see that? So this is how you can easily customize Photos app and reset it back to iOS 17 version. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.